Hello guys, so I'm just so happy to share with you this boiled dumplings, how I make the boiled dumplings. So this is my first time to share with you all. Actually, I shared this before, how I make. I do live always on my FB that I haven't made this page. So, nung ginawa ko to guys, I feel so amazed kasi sa mga homemade dumplings ng mga Chinese. So, if they make dumplings, you guys, akala mo ang easy lang, pero mahirap din pala gawin. Pero masarap. Yun. And then, homemade is always the best. Kasi, alam mo kung ano yung nilagay mo doon. And then, as in na wala kang preservatives na doon. So, ito yung kung paano nila gawin yung homemade boiled dumplings nila guys. Masarap siya. Pwede nyo siyang lagyan ng, ng pork and cabbage, or you can do it minced pork only, or di kaya fish, or di kaya vegetables. Kung ano yung nakain nyo sa restaurants na mga boiled dumplings, ganun din guys. Same lang yan sa paggawa nila. So, ito, at this time kasi natuto akong gumawa ng boiled dumplings. So, yan siya guys. As in, homemade siya, pati yung dough. So, yung dough nito guys is just a salt, flour, and water. Pero wag nyong wag nyong sobrahan ng lambot kasi mahirap siyang i-mold kapag gumawa kayo ng inyong wrapper for your dumplings. So, dati gumagawa talaga ako nito guys almost every day kasi the eat noodles, as I posted some of the Chinese foodies na ginawa ko. So, I got noodles and some dumplings. So, ito guys ay boiled dumplings. So, sa boiled dumpling guys is maliliit siya. Kaya parang mahirap kung sa Ilonggo word ko ay mautihimuon. What to say? It's very hard to make these dumplings. Hindi siya easy kumbaga. Hindi siya easy gawin. Kasi as in, dapat mabilis ka. Kasi kakain sila eh. Hindi pwedeng pwede mo din siyang ilagay sa fridge. I-frozen sa freezer mismo. Huwag sa labas. Kasi kapag sa labas mo siya nilagay, kasi nagme-melt yung magbabasa yung dough. So, hindi mo na siya matanggal agad. So, yun guys. Yan ang paggawa ko ng boiled dumplings. Yung aking cutie dumpling. So, ayan kung paano ko siya ginawa. So, hopefully you enjoy this video guys sa paggawa ng dumpling. So, hindi ko pala dyan napakita kung ano yung nilagay ko. Pero ito ay pork and vegetables dumpling. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan niyo itong video. God bless you and take care always.